Hi guys, hope all of you are doing great, and today we are gonna do NCERT solutions. है ना? Guys, we are doing chapter Heredity and Evolution. Yes, as you all know, we are doing Heredity and Evolution right now, and we have completed the entire course. ठीक है guys, we have completed this entire chapter in great detail. And now we are providing you with the solutions of the NCERT book. NCERT book में जितने भी questions हैं, in text question, yes guys, or exercise question, we are solving them. Today we are going to do page number 156 का question number 1 and 2. Okay guys, if you want to study this chapter in great detail, we have completed it again guys. अब सोचा कि देखो, not only this chapter, life process है ना, how do organisms reproduce and all the other chapters which are there. ठीक है, तो you can go and watch them. Let us read your wonderful comments. ठीक है, so yes guys, this is Rishika Sharma. She says the session was awesome and always you are the best biology. Thank you, Rishika. Rupa Rani, she says, oh my god, this session was really amazing. As always, sir, you're the one who makes biology much more interesting and easy. Thank you so much for this session. Thank you, beta Rupa Rani. ऐसे ही self appraisal सबको अच्छा लगता है. Yes. तो guys, you can use this code AR Pro. Yes, आप AR Pro code use कर सकते हो क्योंकि वेदांतु के जो application होती है उस पे guys there are many courses going on which are little bit paid and but guys they have multiple time benefits. उस पे अगर आप ये वाला कोड यूज करोगे तो you can get discounts. Okay, very good. तो let's do the question guys. चलो करते हैं. Question है given example of characteristics being used to determine how close or two species are in evolutionary term. Give an example of characteristics being used to determine how close two species are in evolution. ऐसा कोई characteristics बताओ जो कि यूज करते हैं हम ताकि हम पता लगा सके कि दो ऑर्गेनिज्म कितने क्लोज है. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. तो क्या हम कह सकते हैं गाइस, हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट होमोलोगस ऑर्गन. हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं होमोलोगस ऑर्गन्स की. होमोलोगस ऑर्गन्स क्या होते हैं बेटा? दीज आर ऑर्गन्स व्हिच हैव सेम बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर बट डिफरेंट फंक्शन. मतलब उनका बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर सेम है बट डिफरेंट फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल फोर आर्म्स ऑफ डॉग एंड व्हेल एंड ह्यूमंस. जो हमारे फोर आर्म्स हैं सबका सही स्ट्रक्चर सेम है बट डॉग क्या करता है उसको रनिंग के लिए यूज करता है, व्हेल क्या करता है स्विमिंग के लिए यूज करता है, बैट क्या करता है फ्लाइंग के लिए, और हम क्या करते हैं लिखने के लिए. राइट. तो यस गाइस, इट्स होमोलोगस ऑर्गन इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ यस is used to see how close two species in an evolutionary term. Determine how close are two species in evolutionary term. Example भी हम लिख देंगे साथ में. Yes, it tells us that horse, bat and humans they have evolved from the same common ancestor. ठीक है, इसी तरह लिखेंगे हम. The relative closeness of two species can be determined by using characteristics called as homologous structure. These are similar in different species because of their inheritance from the common ancestor. है ना guys, example लिखना मत भूलना. The example is the biggest key over here. If you do not write example, it will be in fault. Next one. Can wing of a butterfly and wing of a bat be considered as homologous? Why or why not? Yes guys, क्या wing of bat or wing of butterfly homologous है? No, they are analogous organs. Yes, wings of butterfly and wings of bat, they are analogous organ. Why analogous? मतलब क्या हो गया बेटा? They have different basic structure but same function. Homologous क्या है? Same basic structure, different function. इधर function same है. Butterfly के wings और bat के wings दोनों उड़ने के काम आते हैं. है ना बेटा? दोनों उड़ने के काम आते हैं. Yes guys, so exactly. And why we have written it? Because yes guys, why they have different basic structure but common function. That is why they are analogous and not homologous. Yes, so guys you can write it over here. And moving forward, yes guys, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. You can write to me on amrit.raj@vedantu.com. yes guys, कोई भी दिक्कत हो आपको लगता है कि मुझे बताना है, ठीक है, आपको लगता है कि कोई वीडियो मुझे बनानी चाहिए, टू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. है ना, कमेंट बॉक्स में बताओ अगर आपको कोई वीडियोस लिखनी है, मतलब यू वांट अस टू मेक सम वीडियोस ऑन, एंड डू लेट अस नो. ऑल्सो गाइज, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू subscribe to the channel Vedantu, and there's one more channel guys, NCERT 11th and 12th. There's one more channel, it's NCERT 11th and 12th of Vedantu. Amazing channel. I teach biology over there. अगर आप class 10 से 11 12 में जाओगे तो do watch these also. Okay, keep smiling guys. I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye. Have a great day.